Hey everybody, this is a real quick video in case you have an Anker Soundcore Motion X500 waterproof Bluetooth speaker and you need to do a hard reset to the factory default settings on it. You're going to want to do this reset for one of two reasons. The first one is troubleshooting in case this speaker is not working for some reason, whether it's not responding or not connecting to your phone or not pairing with Bluetooth. A factory reset can fix a lot of these issues. If it doesn't fix it, or if you just decide to buy a new speaker, I'll go ahead and put a link in the description to a speaker that I have and I like a lot. Anyways, the second reason you might want to do this is just for whatever reason where you want to wipe all the settings off of it, clear the pairing history and everything like that, so that you can just set the speaker up like it's a new speaker on something. It's really easy to do. With the speaker turned on, you just need to come and find the Bluetooth button over here and then the volume up button over here. And then you're just going to hold those two buttons down for like 5 to 10 seconds. Basically, just keep holding them until you hear like an audible noise, a prompt telling you that it's resetting, and then the speaker will automatically restart, at which point it's reset and you can go ahead and set it up like it's a new speaker.